trail from Jones Gap going up to Whiteside Mountain. About a 5-mile round trip. Yeah, the sun out and it's not real breezy. There's sections of the AT that are like this that are cool. It's like what's walking through the Roan Highland. Right, we're heading up to Jones now on a spur trail. Roland's working the cat blowing up ahead. We're going 3/10 of a mile off trail. We'll get some snapshots up top and then turn around and continue on. I bet the sun quality ends up as good as that on the Linville Gorge. Top of Jones now. It's a cool view. Did you find your summit marker yet? It's probably covered by moss. So we figured out that we've been saying it wrong. It's not Whiteside Mountain, it's Whiterock Mountain. We're heading over there now. Just getting down from Jack's Knob, or Jones Knob. It's Jones Knob, not Jack's Knob. Back on the Bartram. Oh, nice. I love my rock here. I remember stopping and watching it that last time Roland and I were here. It was Christmas Eve, there was ice. I slipped on, fell. We both got on the camera, it's funny. It's Whiterock Mountain. That's where we're headed.
We didn't quite make it to Whiterock Mountain. We stopped here for the rest of the trip and then headed back. If you're still watching, thank you.